Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the As Motivation YouTube channel. Today, life is a journey, and sometimes we'll find ourselves facing difficult moments. Times when we feel broken and life can seem hopeless. But in the midst of that darkness, we can find hope and strength to carry on. We all have those moments of discouragement and doubt, but the lesson is to never give up. Victor Hugo once said, "Even the darkest night will end and the sun will rise." Don't be afraid to give yourself a little tough love when life seems to break you. Remind yourself that you are a strong person who can handle anything that life throws at you. Instead of wallowing in your own self-pity, use your experiences to shape who you are and become an even better version of yourself. Just because you've experienced darkness doesn't mean that you should stay there. The only way to move forward is to keep pushing. Find happiness in the little things, like a beautiful sunrise or sunset. Make it your mission to find joy and comfort in the little moments, and don't forget to appreciate all that life has to offer. At the end of the day, it's okay to take a break from the daily grind of life. Give yourself permission to take a step back and take a breather. Life should be enjoyed and not endured. So take a chance and make this life your own. And don't forget this powerful truth: no matter how low you may feel and how broken you may become, you can rise up and become the best version of yourself. So go and find the strength to keep going and soar to greater heights. Thank you. To unleash your potential, subscribe.